Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make a festive Christmas tree pastry with bacon, dough and cheese. Let's make it together. First, roll out your pastry dough on parchment paper. Most store-bought dough already comes with it. Lay out ready to cook bacon evenly over the rolled out dough. Now sprinkle your mozzarella or cheddar cheese over the bacon. Now fold the dough in half over the bacon and cheese layer. Cut the folded dough into strips about 2 cm wide. If your dough gets sticky, lightly dampen it with water to separate the layers and make rolling easier. Now stack the strips vertically to form a Christmas tree shape and carefully insert a wooden square through the center. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. And tell me in the comments what recipe you'd like to see next. Once all the Christmas tree squares are ready, place them in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius. Bake until the pastry is fully cooked and golden brown. This is savory appetizer Perfect to serve before dinner or with drink during Christmas night. With love, from my kitchen to yours. It's time to taste. It's turned out so delicious. Don't forget to give it a try. Enjoy the festive appetizer and happy holidays.